the best field agricultural machine manufacturer. We just take the lead the industry rather than compete. Best performance. Its reason? Bulls are our pride. Founded in February 2000, as a manufacturer of agricultural machine. All the executives and employees of Bulls are trying the best effort for the production of excellent performance product, which are essential to customers under the catchphrase realization of customer satisfaction. Bulls has established the power brand of Bulls today by continuously upgrading our product through excellent research personnel until customers satisfy our all products. Moreover, designated as venture and innovative business because of our recognized technology, we are continuous growing, including awarded by Minister of Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries as our contribution to the development of agricultural machine was recognized in the Agricultural Machine Expo. Our power brand of today's Bull is all thanks to farmers who have never spared advice and encouragement as well as the devoted effort of our excellent researchers and technicians. By exporting biodegradable mulch seeding machine, onion direct seeding machine, automatic hose reel, seed germinator, etc. to Australia, Japan, China, Kazakhstan, Italy, etc. we are recognized by performance from overseas, and we will continue to do our best to develop overseas market unceasingly. Bulls will take the lead the mechanization agricultural by releasing the certified products required by actual site with continuous R&D. The Bulls are different. The best field agricultural machine manufacturer. Meet the Bulls products. We promise to always listen to the smallest opinions of farmers. We think of our agricultural village. It is Bulls.